Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you partially import a media file into Wondershare Filmora. So what do you mean by actually partially importing a file? Let's say you have a video file that is huge in size, let's say about 4 to 5 gigs in size, or if its duration is very big, let's say 2 to 3 hours. But you do not want the whole clip to be imported into Filmora and then use it. You just want a part of that particular clip, let's say about 10 to 15 seconds. Then instead of importing the whole video file into your software, then manipulating it, you have an option that you can directly take just that 15 to 16 seconds of the clip from that video file, cut it, trim it down, and then just import that particular amount of clip that you need. Maybe take a few seconds extra in the beginning and at the end so that if you need it in the future you can manipulate it according to your wish. But this will tremendously increase your efficiency and decrease the time that is taken by this particular software. Since it is a heavy software, so your computer should be resource heavy to support it. That is why these kind of features make the efficiency skyrocket. So without any further ado, let us just see the whole process of achieving this. It is pretty simple. Make sure your Wondershare Filmora is open. Go to File, Import Media. Here the last option that you will see is Import with Instant Cutter tool. So let's just click on that. Here you will get an option to trim or merge the video files. There are two options, trim or merge. Okay. So I'm just going with the trim option. Let's say I have a huge file or I have a big file, but I just want 2 to 3 seconds of clip from that. So I'm just going to import that particular section. Just click on open file and select the file that you want to import. So it is in this folder for me. Yeah, this one, or basically this one. Let's just click on open. So this file we get over here. Now using these sliders, you can just actually see the video, okay? Or you can actually play the video. This whole video would be played for you. You can stop it from here as well. So what I'm going to do is these sliders, these blue kind of a sliders, they will allow you to trim the video. So let me just trim a part of the video. Not sure about the duration here, but I'm just going to show you that this is just for the trimming purposes. Okay, so if I just play the trimmed part, this is how it is looking. It's okay for me, feels good to me. The duration, the total duration of this part is 10 seconds. Okay, so I can click on export. So what happens is I get a path. When it is done, what do you want to do? I just want to open the output folder. Okay, and what is the size of this particular export? It is 1.17 MB. So I click on OK, and the exporting has begun. The exporting has been done, and this folder has been opened for me. Okay, so this is the clip. This is just around a 10-second clip that has been exported for me, and here you can see the duration is 10 seconds. Okay, so if I just stop playing this clip, now what happens is, if I want, I can actually just copy this path, go to Wondershare Filmora, close this one, go to File, Import Media Files, paste this path over here, press enter, go to this particular clip, click on open, and this 10-second clip has now been imported. So I do not have to import the whole clip into my project as a whole. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.